welcome back to my channel. I know, long time no see. I've actually recorded a few videos, but life got in the way and I haven't been able to edit and get them out. So I'm gonna try to get a better routine so that I can crank these out for you. But I decided to take my house and divide it floor by floor, and so today's video is all of the first floor, and then the next video you see will be all of my upstairs. So if you need some cleaning motivation, stay tuned and let's get going. This tool from Home Goods that I picked up in my Home Goods haul. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. I'll try to link it above, but it just makes it so easy to reach, like any spider webs or any dust that gets all over the crown molding, the lights, and the fan, which you guys are going to see me struggle with. Y'all don't even want to know how long it really took me to struggle to figure this out and to get this working. It's a mess. I just keep pushing it around and I don't know what to do, and I'm just not cut out for this. But at the end of the day, I got it done, and I think that I know what I'm going to do for the next time. So y'all know that vacuuming is my absolute favorite chore to do. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, what is your favorite chore? The vacuum lines make me so happy, but honestly, when I finally save up to get rid of all my carpet, I will still be vacuuming, but I won't have that satisfaction of vacuum lines. So I wonder how that's going to change things for me. I'm not really sure. If you have all hardwoods or tile and you enjoy vacuuming, let me know if that changed it for you. Okay, I was watching a video not too long ago. It was That's Charming, and Darnisha was folding her stuff straight out of the dryer, and I was like, that is genius. If I sit here and do it right away, maybe I'll get it done and I don't have to worry about sitting it in a pile somewhere and it just staying that way until eventually I get tired of looking at it. So thanks, girl. so this is just where everything gets thrown every single day. Y'all see we got masks, hand sanitizer, my keys, mail, any and everything that comes into the house generally stops here first. And I need to figure out a way to make this more organized. I think I'm going to do bins on that bottom half so that everything is kind of out of sight and looks a little bit more tidy, but I'm not really sure. So if you have any ideas, I would love for you to leave it down below, because this is a mess that I deal with all the time. Because my powder room is so small, it's so incredibly hard to really get some good angles and video in here, but I try to do the best I can. I'm using my Sprayway and I love it, and also the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner that I got from Costco in a 4-pack, I believe. It was a super good price. It was on sale at the time. So yeah, let me just go ahead and get this done, and then we are going to be moving on to the kitchen. Y'all know I have to declutter everything first and then go ahead and clean everything down. So if you are still here with me at 10 minutes in, I really appreciate you. Thank you for supporting my channel. If you are have not subscribed, I would love for you to subscribe and join the family. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to talk to you guys, and I feel like I see people watching, but I don't know who because they don't drop a line and say hi or anything. So I would love for you to do that so we can engage in the comment section down below. Y'all know these kids don't get out of the cleaning, so I don't really video my son much anymore, but he definitely does still help out. He is required. So right now he's taking out the recyclables. He always tries to figure out how he can do it in one trip instead of making multiple trips, but I can't blame him because I do the same thing with groceries. Girl, it's all the bags all at one time. Sprayway with my whole heart, and I will never give up on it. I will be at Home Depot as soon as this bottle is close to being done, so I can make sure I have my re-up. I think I was just talking to my mom, catching up with some stuff and talking about some shop, but I appreciate y'all for hanging tough with me, cleaning the first floor of my home. Make sure you check back for the next video, which will be all upstairs. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe if you're not, and leave me a comment down below. Stay blessed, y'all.